Hey you guys, Raquel here with another video, more like a DIY, very green way to do things. So stop buying recycle bags. I am going to show you how to make a a reusable bag or a handbag, wherever you want to use it for, out of a t-shirt, tank, or a dress. You want to make sure it has straps because this will play out as your strap to your bag. Okay, first I'm making sure that the shirt is inside out. Okay, so next I'm going to tie like the tightest knot at the bottom. The lower the knot and the smaller the knot, the more room you have in your bag. So I'm going to tie a knot at the end, really nice and tight so nothing falls out. Next, I pull the knot on the inside of the bag. And there you have it. You have your DIY handbag. You can use it for grocery shopping. If you want like just a cute little satchel, there you have it. Here you'll see me throw some of my daughter's stuffed animals in here to show you guys how efficient this is. All right. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.